Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the Kalimotxo, and I have no idea if this drink's going to be any good. Welcome back once again to The Blind Pig. As always, I'm your host, Jason. On this channel, we love a cocktail with a good story. This one has a really good story to it, and I don't know if it's going to be any good. I've never even seen this on a cocktail menu anywhere. I've never heard anyone talk about it. I read it online. I've heard it's popular in Spain. It's at least worth a video. At least worth a story. Let's see how it is. You can see we only have two real ingredients here. We're making the Kalimotxo. As the story goes, in 1972 in Spain, they were having a big celebration for a saint. They ordered 2,000 liters of red wine to be served at this ceremony. It arrived, they tested out, and it was not right. It was off. It was sour. It was just not the wine they were looking for. They knew they really couldn't serve it as it was. They said, oh no, what are we going to do? We have all this wine, all these people, what are we going to serve? And they decided to take the red wine, throw some fruit in it, and then throw some Coca Cola in it. And apparently everyone enjoyed it. It made for a great celebration. The story goes, they then needed a name for the drink. The person's name was Calimero amongst the group that was that made it. That's the Cali. And then Mocho, I feel bad for this guy. And he's maybe still alive. Mocho means ugly. Apparently he was not the best looking, and they went with the Kalimotxo. Maybe the drink's not gonna be good looking. I don't know. But anyway, here we go. So they actually recommend for this drink, so it's red wine to start. They actually recommend a unlabeled red wine, aka a box wine, a cheap wine. You're not gonna use a good red wine for this. I have a Sutter Home in a plastic bottle. I'd say that counts. You're going to use about 3.5, 4 ounces to start. I'm not even going to measure this out. I will say that that's about right. I'll use a hair more there. That's about right. Then you're going to squeeze a wedge of a lemon and then toss it in. A wedge of an orange and then toss it in. And then about 3.5 ounces of Coke. And they say, the recipe says, make sure you're using Coca Cola, no substitutes, no diet. You got to use regular Coca Cola. Don't stir it. It says drink it as is. This can't be good, can it? I don't want this to be good somehow, but cheers. Hang on. Oh, Kalimotxo, me crazy. That's a good drink. Wow. I've had this wine before. This wine is not good. I don't even know why we own this. I'm not sure where it came from. That's actually pretty tasty, guys. I don't know if it's a summer drink, a drink with steak, or what it is. If you have some red wine at home and you don't know what to do with, I'm going to say go ahead and give a Kalimotxo a try. That's actually pretty damn good. So cheers. I'm going to finish the Kalimotxo. Please like the video, subscribe, leave a comment below. We'll see you soon, guys. Cheers. Once again to The Blind Pig. As always, I'm your host, Jason. We love a cocktail on this. We have a cocktail